like take this as an example, like what they did with Tookie Williams. Like he was a big high power Crip, and then they tried to change his whole thing, and that didn't work out at all. Like,
but I think Tookie
dying and all types.
I think Tookie's something different. I think because Tookie represented the Crips, right, in such a high fashion for so long, I think that there was no way that Tookie was going to be able to,
wipe that off. Like,
wipe it off. He did too much stuff, and then like he did too many interviews, and just it was too much. You know what I mean? He wasn't like Larry Hoover was more like a community activist.
Yeah,
he was trying to be that.